Hello, my name's Bob Willis and welcome to Defect of the Month. Every month I take the opportunity of looking at a new defect and hopefully provide some conclusions or guidance on how these defects can be overcome. This month I wanted to talk about poor hole fill, but as it relates to the use of components which are perhaps not ideal. Now, with through-hole soldering being conducted by wave, selective or intrusive reflow, it's still important that the top side of the joint is open, i.e. that the component body does not mask the top side joint. Now, if the termination actually covers or fills the top of the plated through hole, it may prevent the solder rising. It may also create voids within the solder joint. And the reason for that is that during the soldering operation, flux cleans surfaces to aid the soldering process. But if there is any expansion of volatile materials from the flux, it needs to escape. And one of the ways it would escape is through the top of the plated through hole. So if you cover the top of the hole, any gassing can't escape. It may be difficult for the solder to rise completely in the plated through hole and thus make soldering more difficult. I'm not suggesting for one moment it's going to affect the reliability of the solder joint, but it certainly affects the inspectability.